Today we're using the Servo Loop Bandwidth Calculator to analyze closed-loop response characteristics. This calculator requires two input parameters. First is natural frequency, omega n, where you enter the natural frequency of your servo system. Second is damping ratio zeta, which accepts values between 0 and 2. A damping ratio of 0 represents an undamped system, while values approaching 2 indicate an overdamped response. Let's work through an example. For natural frequency omega n, I'll enter 10 radians per second. For damping ratio zeta, I'll use 0.7, which represents an underdamped system with good transient response. After clicking Calculate Servo Response, the calculator provides the complete closed-loop response analysis. The results show your system's bandwidth, phase margin, and step response characteristics. These values help you understand how quickly your servo will respond to commands, how stable the system is, and whether you'll experience overshoot or oscillation. The bandwidth indicates the frequency range where your servo maintains accurate tracking, while the phase margin tells you how much stability margin you have before the system becomes unstable. Find the link in the description below.